My name is Frank Lewis White Jr. and I'm in the pipe welding program. Before coming here, I had experience welding at Caterpillar in Athens, Georgia. Changed career fields went into the transportation, got my CDLs, but after driving trucks for a while, I just knew that welding was my passion. I feel like whatever you do, it'll never be a job, whether it's doing hair, carpentry work, whatever it is, whatever you love doing, it'll never be a job for you. Welding is not a job for me because I love it. I love it so much. If I could do it and still live a life of, not having to pay for stuff, I would do it for free. But, that's not how things work. But welding, that's my niche. That was my God-given purpose. I believe God gave it to me, and I do it for Him. Give Florence-Darlington take a try. I believe the instructors out here are very knowledgeable about the craft. It's enough to learn the skill, but it's something else where somebody cares about you and they're going to invest their time and their energy to make sure that you can learn all that you can learn. And I believe the instructors here, everyone here who has a hand in this welding program is definitely someone who you can trust, someone who you can confide into, someone who's going to push you to the next level. That's my experience being here at Florence-Darlington Tech. I've encountered people that push me to the next level, and I can say for sure that I'm not the baddest welder, but I'm sure that not the slackest one either. And I believe that those guys that came here and imparted into me, I really believe that if you give them a chance and be serious about it, don't come in here with a joke. Don't come in here slacking up, but come here being serious and about your business. If you come here with that mentality, I promise you that these people are going to invest their time and energy in you. They're going to bend over backwards to make sure that you succeed. I am Frank Lewis White Jr. and I am a Florence-Darlington Tech success story.